duo of Joanna Mamombe and Cecilia Chimbiri of the main opposition party CCC, accused of abducting themselves, have challenged Magistrate Faith Mushure's ruling that they be put to their defense, stopping proceedings at the magistrate's courts. Defense lawyer Alec Mchadehama said the matter against his clients will now shift to the High Court.
As you might be aware, on the 22nd of September 2022, we approached the High Court asking it to do things. One, to review Magistrate Mushure's decision to put Joanna Mamombe and Cecilia Chimbiri to their defense. Secondly, to stay the proceedings pending before the magistrate's courts, pending the application for review.
Justice Munangati Manongwa stayed the trial proceedings, which would have seen Mamombe and Chimbiri opening their defense at the magistrate's court. This has been put in ice until the determination of the application of review is filed at the High Court.
So on the 22nd of September 2022, the High Court, through Justice Munangati Manongwa, stayed the trial proceedings pending in the magistrate's courts, pending the determination of the application for review that we filed at the High Court.
Given this judgment by the High Court, the trial that was supposed to take place today was stayed and the two were remanded to the 18th of November 2022.
What then happened is that the High Court set timelines within which we must file papers before it, starting with the record, the heads of argument for the parties, and then to go to the High Court on the 17th of November 2022 for the hearing of the application for review. So because the High Court had stayed the proceedings pending before the magistrate's courts, what we came here for today was to give effect to the High Court order, by which we mean that the trial that was supposed to continue today before the magistrate was stayed by the High Court, pending the application for review. So today what we simply then came to do is to postpone the matter that is pending before the magistrate, Mrs. Mushure, pending the outcome for the application for review, which is going to be heard by the High Court on the 17th of November 2022. So today the court remanded Joanna Mamombe and Cecilia Chimbiri to the 18th of November 2022 so that we can come and advise the magistrate what will have expired on the 17th of November 2022.
In another matter, Job Sikala also appeared in court today, continuing his trial in relation to the 31st of August protest, with the state still leading evidence from its first witness. The witness's cross-examination by the defense was completed today. The matter has rolled over to the 4th and the 5th of October 2022, and the state will continue leading evidence with its witnesses.
The trial against Job Sikala in the matter relating to the 31 August 2020 protests continued this morning. The state was still leading evidence from its first witness, whom we finished cross-examining today. The matter has now been rolled over to the 4th and 5th of October 2022 for continuation. The state is still leading evidence from its witnesses.
The battle for freedom continues for the members of the opposition who have alleged political persecution. Lady Gomera, HSTV News, Harare.